This is a Senate committee hearing room filled with some major players and pressure groups in the petroleum sector. They are all here for one purpose: to see to the passage of a long-awaited petroleum industry bill. The Petroleum Industry Bill, PIB, has languished for nearly 8 years in the National Assembly, with previous assemblies failing to pass the bill. The PIB is getting another chance in the 8th Assembly, and it has been broken down into 5 parts, which lawmakers say will ensure a speedier passage. This public hearing is to get inputs from industry experts on the first part of the bill, which focuses on the governance and institutional framework of the petroleum sector.
The key objectives of the petroleum industry be therefore to establish a framework for the creation of commercially orientated and profit-driven petroleum entities that ensures value addition.
The NNPC Group Managing Director spells out measures which would eliminate corruption within the system while promoting efficiency and accountability.
We suggest certain revisions of the 2015 bill to align the bill with best international practices in the industry. Consequently, there should be 1. Clarity in joint venture and production sharing contract ownership of the assets, including the handling and the sale and disposal of available production.
While the NNPC supports the creation of 3 new entities in the sector, labor unions say they will reject any plan to privatize the oil sector without proper engagement with them. It is expected that after the Senate passes the petroleum governance and institutional framework of the PIB, it would move to the second part of the PIB, which focuses on fiscal framework and host communities. This part of the PIB has been controversial in previous assemblies, as lawmakers disagreed on the modalities for the payment of the Host Community Development Fund. Linda Kibi, Channels Television News.